Welcome to this ValueMed product support video for the new ALLTEST DSD-873 alcohol direct saliva test. Here's the product packaging we're showing you today. You will note that the initial batches of this first couple of lots are going to be labelled as 863D. This is because we are negotiating with ALLTEST for the 873 catalogue reference, so we don't confuse this with a straight 6-panel drug test. This is a 7 total drug, 6 drug plus the alcohol, making it an 873. Now the combination that you've got on here is cocaine at 20 nanograms, amphetamine at 50, methamphetamine at 50, benzo at 30, opiates at 40. THC membranes loaded into this drug test are a 12 nanogram, and you've got the alcohol detection in the actual saliva indicator window. These comes in cartons of 25 tests. You'll see the standard CE certification markings on the base of the outer carton label with the description of the drug test loaded. So let's pop this open and show you what you actually get inside the carton. The evaluation colour card for the alcohol. Now this is a universal card that's used for specific gravity, creatinine, pH on URS products, but also the important part in terms of the drug test is your alcohol identification and results indicators. Simple colour change that you're looking in the window for a clear negative. There is no change in the actual background membrane colour, and then the variations on this blue discoloration indicating the various levels, and it's basically a colour match against the nearest code for your level indicators on alcohol. At 0.02 your lowest indicator, 0.4, 0.8 and 3 and above. Okay, that's percentage BAC equivalents for saliva alcohol readings. Also included in the box are a standard ALLTEST data sheet. Now again, we would bring your attention to this is being updated, refers to a 50 nanogram cutoff for the cannabis in here, and also 20 nanograms. This is saliva test membrane, so these are loaded with a 12 nanogram THC membrane. And then your foils, 25 of these individually foiled, again with duplication of the CE markings on each individual foils, batch and lot number, expiry dates on the end. So in part 2 of this video, what we're going to do is crack open one of these and just show you the actual drug test and how to perform the saliva drug testing using these.